welcome to another session, lecture series number 16. Today I'll be doing subsection 8.2 from Gauteng Prelim 2016 paper 1. And let us just go through the problems. The first problem, 8.2.1, says that we need to determine dx, x to the fourth minus 2x plus 1 over x squared. Okay, so once I have a problem of this nature, what I usually do is I like to rewrite this in a manner of, if I've got 1 over x squared, I go to write this as x to the negative 2, such that it is simple to use the power rule. So in this case, I'm just going to write this as dx and have x to the fourth minus 2x plus x to the negative 2. Okay, now when we differentiate this, we lose the dx, so it becomes 4x cubed minus 2, and then becomes negative 2x to the negative 3. Okay, so this becomes our final answer. Okay, because now the only thing that you have to do is just change this. But if you want to show your teacher that you do know mathematics, you can write your solution as 4x cubed minus 2 over x cubed. Okay, difference is the same. If you write it like this and if you write it like that, it's the same thing. Okay, so yeah, we don't need to do much about such questions. Okay, so let us do our question 8.2.2. okay, 8.2.2, it says that we should find dy dx if our y is given by 2x minus 3 all over the fourth root of x. Okay, so remember that we can rewrite the fourth root of x as x to the exponent 1/4. Okay, so therefore what I'm going to do is separation of terms. Separation of terms is just us saying that we have got 2 to the x divided by x to the 1/4, which is just this part. Okay, minus 3 divided by x to the 1/4. Okay, so according to exponents, dividing powers of the same base, x to the n divided by x to the m, we should always subtract the exponents. Okay, so what I mean is here I'm going to have 2x to the 1 minus 1/4 minus 3. So here it's more like saying x to the 0 minus 1/4. Okay, but we do not write that, so we're just gonna write this as negative 1/4. Okay, so what happens next is I'm going to have this as 2x to the 3/4 minus 3x to the 1/4, but we haven't found dy dx. This is still y. So dy dx is the derivative. Now we're going to use the rules of differentiation. Dy dx is now equals to this multiplied by that, it becomes 3 over 2 x to the, now 3 over 4 minus 1, it's us saying 3 over 4 minus 4 over 4, which is just negative 1/4. Okay, so it becomes negative 1/4 here, and this one here we're going to multiply the 2, it becomes 3 over 4, then we're gonna have x, we're gonna have negative 1/4 minus 1, which is 4 over 4, so this becomes negative 5 over 4. Okay, so once we have found our derivatives, we have solved the problem, and this is the final answer. We can just leave it like that. Okay, but if you want to show your teacher that you know mathematics, you can just manipulate it. Okay, so in the next session I'll show you how to manipulate this, and if you have reached this far, please drop a like and a subscribe button, guys. Thank you very much.